Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy and filling vegetable sandwich recipe, ideal as a filling and nutrient-rich lunchbox meal or as a dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. To make the sandwich filling, into a small kadai, I'm adding in 2 teaspoons wood-pressed groundnut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Once the jeera splutter, reduce the flame to the lowest and add in 1 onion finely chopped. Give this a stir and allow the onions to saute until it starts to turn transparent. And once the onion starts to turn transparent, I'm adding in 1 green chilli finely chopped, 1/4 inch of ginger and 6 cloves of garlic finely chopped. Okay, now everything is lightly sauteed. Into this I'm adding in 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. Give it a stir. 1/2 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder. Quickly give it a stir so that the raw flavor of the chilli powder is diminished. 1 tomato finely chopped. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. Once nicely mixed, add in a couple of splashes of water. Give it a quick mix. Cover and allow the tomatoes to get cooked. 2 minutes later, open the lid, give it a good stir and lightly mash the cooked tomatoes. Into this I'm adding in 3 cauliflower florets finely chopped, 1 medium-sized carrot finely chopped, 6 to 7 beans finely chopped. Give it a good stir. Add in 2 tablespoons water, cover and allow the vegetables to get cooked. 2 minutes later, open the lid, give it a good stir. At this point, the vegetables are nicely cooked. You can also mash the vegetables if you prefer. Into this, I'm adding in 1/2 capsicum finely chopped, 1 cup of green amaranth leaves finely chopped and give it a good mix. Instead of green amaranth leaves, you can use any leafy vegetable of your choice. 1/2 teaspoon jeera powder, also known as cumin powder, 3/4 teaspoon garam masala. At this stage, you can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in. I'm going to cover it with the lid for about a minute. About a minute later, open the lid. Finely chopped coriander leaves. Stir well and turn off the flame. The best thing about this sandwich filling is that you can make ahead this and store it in an airtight glass container and it will stay good in the refrigerator for a couple of days. And for now, I'm going to allow this to cool down and then I'll show you how I'm making this sandwich. I'm using 2 slices of bread and I'm placing 1 slice onto the toaster. Place the filling on top of the bread slice. Place the other slice on top, lightly press it down and close the toaster. Place the toaster over the gas stove. Once both sides are nicely toasted, transfer to a plate. So guys, do try this healthy vegetable sandwich and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.